March weather can be unpredictable, especially this season. Today, my dad, Ron, my son, Gavin, are going on an outing they've had planned to chase walleyes on the Wisconsin River. Not only can March weather be unpredictable, but so can March river fishing. Today will be a mixture of vertical fishing blade baits and rip and wraps below a dam.
Kind of spitting snow a little bit.
And two men freezing their asses off. I picked a good one to sit out.
Yeah, I mean, blade baits, you never know. Sheephead hit them, catfish will hit them, everything will hit them.
The boys are vertically fishing the Berkley Vibrato. I have to say, I've noticed all three of us have been throwing a lot more Berkley hard baits the past few years. We aren't in partnership with Berkley in any way, but I've been throwing more of the Money Badger the past year, and I've seen both boys using this Vibrato a ton for walleye and smallmouth in a vertical setting.
You got him, you want to get him in the net.
Now, I shared some nitty-gritty. How about you share a sub and a like?
Yeah, we know what you'll catch out here in the river.
That's right. He's hooked to the tail. Yeah, this one's snagged to the tail.
And here's what's going on here. This fish is of legal size, but in the state of Wisconsin, on this water, you can't have in possession a fish by snagging, foul hooking, or attempting to hook other than in the mouth. This fish has to go back in the water, even though nobody will ever know.
Looks like that one hit it.
Yeah, that one's in the snoot. Somewhere.
Remember last time I had that one eat that minnow off the back of my, I had that one last time eat the minnow off the back of my spoon.
Yeah.
There's a fish.
We're going to move off this in a second.
The boys aren't here to catch sturgeon out of season. They're about to back up off this spot since they're targeting walleye. Got hours of content on the channel. The algorithm recommends you give this video a look and check out this playlist. We've got a few more walleye trips coming this spring. There'll be more from Fishing Roots soon.